we're both signed into the same expert.
Yeah.
I think it like conflicts a little bit. I'm not sure exactly.
Okay. Think we're back.
Are we back? Yeah. Are we back? It's loading video. Loading video.
Is it me or my connection drops every hour?
You're back, huh? Every hour?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so.
When was the last time I
Because
dropped?
we've been going for 2 hours 24.
Yeah, I know, but I was one that dropped. You know, who didn't?
No, because we started the call after you dropped. Sam started another call once you dropped the first time.
Mm-hmm.
So it'd be 2 hours if you dropped. But you've only dropped once, so...
Not
really
twice.
Twice.
Yeah.
This was the second time. Is this stream live yet?
Yes. Hi guys. Time for Simpsons.
Rule. Hopefully.
Yay! It's the best one.
Oh, Simpsons.
Oh, we only have 11 viewers now. Oh.
Yeah, because you dropped.
I'm gonna give up on life.
Wow, people have got really low patience.
I
Yeah.
know. It's like,
We're doing this for free as
They
well.
clearly don't want to pass this exam. Not saying that watching this means you'll pass 100%.
It will. It
That's up
works.
to them, not
Challenge accepted.
It will work. Okay, so you have to differentiate from 3, from 1 to 3. Okay, so the
have 6
Simpsons rule.
You don't differentiate this, do you?
What?
To find the absolute relative.
No.
Okay.
Yeah, exception unhandled. It probably will be, but I saw in the 2012 paper he also asked questions on average complexity and worst case complexity. So should just revise everything.
I don't know what you're talking about, but
It's going to exception unhandled.
alright. Okay. Hello?
Hello.
Hi, are you there?
The stream just dropped.
Did it?
No.
Has
it?
It was
Stream's live for me.
reloading. I don't know what's wrong. I should do a speed test. just to try and see what's going on. Are you guys still there? Because I'm not sure when I drop.
Yes.
If you don't speak.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, we're here.
Oh, I had that, I just went on my Chrome on my phone, and I had that, Nick Cage page open. And I was like, wait, oh, Nick Cage faces. Everywhere.
You have a lot of fun in Nicolas Cage.
The Cage is the rage. Everyone praise the Cage. Praise the Cage.
But I have a feeling the stream is not moving.
It is moving.
No, it's very slow.
Yep, it's moving for me.
You're drawing the delta x equals at the moment. B minus. Oh no, it's really laggy.
Yeah,
it just jumped.
I noticed.
Yeah.
Well. So delta x is a third. This is not going to be fun.
Mm-hmm. Oh no, you just put it as 0.33. So.
No, it's not.
Oh, I didn't find you rude, mailman. It was just...
Who's Melly Man?
Yeah. We're lazy.
Who's Melly Man?
Who are you, Melly Man?
On that again.
We're gonna find out.
I don't care who people are nowadays.
Do you know the Melly Man?
Ha ha
Do you
ha.
have to shout?
Did I shout? Sorry.
Yeah. It was
Did
very
you?
rude of me.
I didn't shout.
It didn't sound like he shouted.
He shut up. He shouted to me.
Work out the next exact answer and then calculate absolute relative error. Absolute relative true error for the new. Okay, so the Simpson's rule is essentially this. So it alternates. It has to be an even number of strips. That's why you gotta remember. So must be even. So this is important. If it's not even, you cannot use it. So imagine they don't give you a number of strips and you want to work it out. It has to be even. Because it's a is this the one that uses rectangles? I don't even know.
Simpson's rule? No. It uses strips under the curve.
Yeah, but
Rectangle rule. Rectangle rule. Rectangular rule? Rectangle
what does it
rule
look like?
is the one that uses this.
Wait, so how would you just decide how many strips you're supposed to use?
It tells you.
Oh.
It should tell
No, but like what Carlos was saying, I think, when they don't give you the number of strips.
Well, just
Well, they
use as
will
many
they
as
always
you
give you the
can.
number of strips.
I hope so. Because if they don't, then we have to guess, and guessing is not pretty good.
Let's put 2. Make it easier on ourselves.
Yeah, I don't think that'll be that. I mean, you could use it because you'll still give
It wouldn't be accurate. The more strips you use, the more accurate it is.
Yeah.
I would say at least 4, because you gotta have a fourth value. And
You got to have the sum in the middle and then with the odds and even.
yeah. So yeah, because it has to be a 4 and then a 2, and all that.
Oh god. I hate
Okay,
that stuff.
for this is 6 strips. Yeah. Okay. Let's use Excel for this.
Getting sleepy.
Yeah. Okay, so we have the number of iterations. Let me change this to Excel so it looks better on the stream. So we have the number of iterations. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does it go to there? Okay. So this is the number of iterations. They're more than 6 because of the thing I showed you before. Exception and then said 4. Why did he say 4?
I have no idea why he said 4.
Explain.
Ooh, nice transition.
I know.
Transition.
So you're talking about the number of strips, innit?
In it.
Don't worry.
I forgot to put our live banner. Oh.
Yeah.
Fixed. Okay, so and then we have the x value for I, and that would be, well, we start at 1 like it says, so 1, and then you will keep on adding a third to it, so we'll start at 1, and then we'll do 1, I mean we'll do the previous value. If you have used Excel, you should understand what I'm doing.
What is Excel?
I mean, yeah, and then we keep on adding that until, okay, I did something wrong. B3, oh, I was meant to add. Fail. Okay, so you add, you don't times, and then you just, and then it should just work it out for you like that. Obviously, you're not going to have Excel in the exam, but it just gives you an idea of what you have to do. So this is the values that we get. And I'm going to try and paste it here. Yeah, it worked. Cool. So this is the values that we get. Now we're gonna have to do the formula. So let's load up the brush. So let's call this SR for Simpson's rule, and then we'll do the delta x divided by 3, which is a third, divided by 3, which is 1/6. A third divided by 3 is... Oh no, it's 1 9. Yeah, no. 3 times 9. 3 times 3. So, will be 1 over 9. Then open brackets. As you can see the formula, if I can move it down. No, it's fine. As you can see the formula starts with fx without timesing. So the first value don't time, so it will be f of 1. Then plus the second value must be a 4. It must be times by 4, so 4 f, and then it's 1.333, so 1.3 recurring. The dot at the top means recurring. And then the value that comes afterwards will be times by 2, and that value is 1.6 recurring. And I'm gonna have to move this out of the way because it's not in the right place. Okay, so the next value would be a 4 as well. So 4 f 2, yeah, because it's the value that comes after that, and then it'll be a 2 f 2.3 recurring, and then will be 4 f 2.
Okay, no one. I'm talking about.
What is there a question?
Yeah, exception and handle says, how many numbers should we take after the decimal point? I was just going to say, using your calculator, you can just press shift x squared, and it'll give you the recurring sign. So you can just put in there 0.3, and it'll just add the 0.3 recurring.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What he said.
Get it?
So that's why I'm putting the dots. If you put the dot, it is essentially correct, so it cannot mark you wrong. Because the dot means recurring. But if you want to put down the values, I would put at least 3 decimal places for things that are like dot 3, 3, 3, 3. That. So basically, if it recurs, at least 3 will be fine. But if it's not like that, then do at least 5 decimal places. That I think that'll be safe enough. And for some questions, they give you a limit, so I would stick to the limit for the questions you get. So you see the question that for the secant at the Newton-Raphson method, they give you a criteria. Just keep it under that with more decimal points than the criteria, because that way you're sure to be right. And I just realized I didn't change this screen because no one is paying attention to the stream on the Skype call.
Sorry.
Um.
I'm trying to send the paper.
Yeah,
I
okay,
was paying attention, but I didn't realize.
I don't think it looked that bad, to be honest. I'm not sure. Let me check.
No, it just looks weird. Transition.
So yeah, it should be like that.
It's random, Nathan.
There was a joke from earlier. You weren't here.
Oh.
No one else was here, so it just makes me sound weird.
Okay. Well, so
You are weird though, so it's okay.
Go away, Sam. Go mute yourself again.
Fuck you.
as you can see, this is 1,
Language, please.
1.3, 1.6, 2, 2.3, 2.6, and then 3. This is essentially what I've done. The way I got the 1 over 9 is this. So it was 1.1/3 times 1/3, and that will be 1 over 9. It's because it's only because on the rule you have to do delta x divided by 3, and that is the same as timesing an answer by a third. So that's how I got 1.9. 1 over 9, if you're wondering. These values I got from the table that you should get by simply adding the delta x value. And yeah, that's it. Okay, so let's do Okay, that was loud.